euro-dollar ShipOwner 430. If we have Mr. Elon Musk now quoting US government here and there, then will this mean that they're going to cut also the printer? How are we going to finance the Fed, the government? Then how about the euro-dollar rates? We have already seen how it was 1.09 to the euro, now is 1.06 today. So that's a huge strength of the dollar with regard to the euro. Well, in Europe, we are complaining about the Chinese stealing the car industry, and they don't even use glasses, yes, telescope, to see, not outside, not 10 trees, but inside a huge, big sequoia of taxes, of bureaucracy, of 26 states, each different social security or national insurance, how you would like to call it. Would you like a 32% or would you like a 15% half employee, half employer? How would you like it? One way or another, constructing a car in Europe is 90% tax for the employee. So, are the Chinese more competitive? Of course. Do we need to look? Or look inside? Now, it seems that the biggest cost is the government. Gosh, we did discover something very important because they print money. Then, if USA is going to stop printing, that has not been confirmed yet, but if they are, and if they are going to tackle debt, how? Lot of sequoias, lot of buildings to be sold, and then cut the size of the government. How? Then, of course, just with the promise, would you invest in Europe? Of course not. Then, would you invest in USA? Well, might as well be fast, because if dollar keeps going up, New York Stock Exchange is very clear, isn't it? Why? Because it's going to be stronger and stronger. Now, dear ShipOwner, are you going to look at your budgets in euros or in dollars for next year? Okay, if you want the solution, call me. It's a very simple one. Thank you. Bye.